Have you ever looked at the ceiling at 3 a.m. with tears in your eyes, asking the universe, why me? Why do I keep attracting the same kind of pain in different faces? Because I did. And I got an answer, not from a therapist, but from my soul through Akashic Records. And what I discovered didn't just heal me, but change everything in my life. Stay with me till the end because I'm going to show you how you can ask your soul the same question and receive the truth that will set you free. Hello, beautiful soul. I am Sanskriti, and yes, Sanskriti with a double I. To know why two eyes, you can watch our video by clicking on the I button. I recently made a video on this, and trust me, this is a super insightful and the most demanded video by all of you. So you should definitely watch this video after this. Now, back to our topic. Today, I want to take you deep into the truth behind the relationship that breaks you, yet keep showing up in your life. Because if you have been attracting emotionally unavailable people, narcissists, or even sweet souls who just abandon you out of nowhere, there is a reason. And your soul knows it all. It isn't about blaming, it is not about fixing, it is just about knowing. So, YouTube family, let me take you to my journey, how I asked my soul why this was happening to me and how I finally broke the pattern. Few years ago, I lost my best friend, the kind that leaves you hollow. She was kind, charming, spiritually evil, but when things got real, when I needed to be held emotionally, she disappeared. I felt like deja vu, like I had been here before. Different person, same heartbreak. I was tired of thinking that I just need to raise my vibration and manifest better. So I did something different. I sat down, I lit a candle, opened my Akashic records, and asked my soul, why do I keep attracting painful relationships? And the answer shocked me. The Akashic record said, because you're trying to rewrite a story that didn't begin in this lifetime. You see, my soul showed me something profound. In one of my past lives, I made a vow of loyalty to someone who betrayed me. I told my soul that I will keep loving even if it kills me. So I carried that vow into this lifetime, unconsciously attracting the same kind of friends, same kind of partners who didn't choose me, trying to love them enough to finally get back the love. My soul was not punishing me, it was just playing out a contract I had signed in one of my past lives. That's the thing about the Akashic records. They don't shame you, they show you. They gently reveal the patterns that began lifetimes ago so that you can finally close the chapter. Relatable? Maybe you have also felt the same way, maybe with your boyfriend, girlfriend, extramarital affair, wife, husband, parents, anybody. Maybe every time you fall in love, there is that moment where it all feels too familiar, like a heartbreak you have lived before. Maybe you shrink yourself to be loved, or you chose someone emotionally unavailable, hoping this time it will be different. But it is not, because the script hasn't changed. Not until you see the original one, the one your soul is still acting out from the past lifetimes. That reading for myself was a turning point. I cried not because I was broken, but because I realized that I was never broken. I was bound by a soul vow, a karmic loop, an emotional imprint that weren't mine to carry anymore into this lifetime as Sanskriti City. So I did the work. I cleared the soul contract. I forgive the past life version of me who chose pain in the name of love. I made a new vow. I chose myself in this lifetime every single time, and slowly everything shifted. So how life changed after that reading? Relationship began to feel different. I no longer chased people who didn't see me. The pattern lost its grip on me, and I was set free. That's the power of Akashic records. They don't give you shortcuts. They give you the answers to your why. And once you know the why, you finally have the power to choose differently. For those who are wondering what are Akashic records, they are the vibrational archives of your soul entire journey. Every thought, every life, past, present, future potentials is stored here. It's not a woo, it's not a fantasy, it's your reality. It's the purest truth of the universe, who you are, beyond fear, beyond trauma, beyond ego. And once you access it, you will never look at your life the same way again. So let me ask you something. What if your heartbreak isn't random? What if your patterns aren't just bad luck? What if your soul is trying to tell you something? Would you be willing to listen? Would you be willing to ask one question that could change your relationship, your choices, your life? Why is this showing up for me? And would you be willing to hear the real answer? Even a part of you says yes. Then don't wait. Book your Akashic record reading today, because the answers you are seeking, they are not in the next relationship or in the next breakup. They are in you, in your Akashic records, just waiting to be remembered. And I am here to help you rescue. I don't say this lightly, but this work has changed hundreds of lives in my journey. From people who were stuck in toxic pattern, to those who had lost all the hopes in love, to those who didn't even know what is holding them back. They found freedom, they found healing, they found themselves. And now it's your turn. Let this be the moment you stop asking, why me? And start asking, what is my soul trying to show up? Because when you ask the right question, your soul answers. So if you're ready to break free from the pain that keeps looping, if you are ready to stop wishing for healing and start choosing it, book your reading today. Let your soul show what's be waiting to be seen. Because you are not here to repeat the past, you are here to rise beyond it. I am Sanskriti. Thank you for letting me share this story. I can't wait to hear your story in my session. See you soon.